Guys, what is up? So I thought I'd show you what I got in my pharmacy box. I already posted it on my Instagram stories. It's already gone, but I'm posting it as well to show you guys what I got. So first things first, I did get some of our new catalogs, our pharmacy catalogs, which provides the information of what we have, what is all in our stuff, our online stuff. Our eyeshadow palette that just came out this month as well. I swatched it. It's also on my stories if you guys want to see the swatches. It is $39.90 on my website. I got a free item with pharmacy, depending on how much you spend as a, I think also as a customer as well. I don't know. I don't remember. I got our toothpaste through pharmacy. I ordered some new VFX foundation in shade 6 in the color Sand. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use that shade for much longer just because I have been tanning and it's not quite my shade, but it's okay. I'll do it anyway. The Farmasi Highlight Glow Palette. The Satin Pink Lip Gloss. Our VFX Elite Matte Liquid Lipstick in Flamingo Pink. Our Limitless Mascara. I ordered concealer buffer brush. This is lip plumper. Also comes with some brush, like my brush set. Another brush, which I already also have, but I go through so many brushes. I ordered me another one. Liquid lipstick in mauve pink. This is the long lost creamy eyeshadow, which is Pink Glow. Super pretty. This was in the holiday, what's it called? The Halloween collection. Very pretty. I know it's not Halloween shades, but that's what it was in the collection. 2 liquid concealers we just reformulated, so I had to figure out like what concealer will be mine. I got 01, which is Ivory, and 03, which is Biscuit. The only thing that did not get reformulated is our stick concealers, and this is in 03. Light Ivory, I'm sorry, it just looked different. Alright, and then also our VFX Pro CC Cream Brightens Skin, which is the purple, pretty much I would say primer. You can brighten your face, so that's quite nice. Oh, the brush set also came with a little pouch as well. So let me know if you guys have any questions about any of these products. Let me know. If anyone does buy anything, it does go towards like my sales, stuff like that. We have one more day for the Bliss bundle, and then of course there will be a new month, or tomorrow's a new month, so there's a new Bliss bundle for tomorrow. If you guys have questions about any of the pharmacy products, or if you want to sign up, we do have kits available, and I know for sure the 125 kits. I don't know if we still have the $20 kit anymore. I haven't seen anything about it. So if you guys are interested in just the $20 kit and then go from there, then you guys definitely can do that. It's totally up to you. I'm going to wake up George now because he cannot sleep this long. All right, bye guys.